What's up, welcome back to the channel. We have our kit of the month. This is for JR Models NASCAR kits, and this is actually the January kit of the month. So it came a little late, but not too big a deal. I already had one cracked it open because it just saves some time off camera. But let's go ahead and show you what we got. And we got Bertha. We got Big Bertha here in town. No, I'm just kidding. It's not Big Bertha. It's Bertha. We got a good old Bertha 1978 Chevy Monte Carlo. This is really cool. This is actually a really cool car. Really highly anticipated model for a while. So we got that, and also we got some goodies here. Let's go ahead and go through the goodies actually real quick. So let's say we got a few decals, and the sticker went flying. All right. So it's actually not a sticker. It's actually like wow. That's actually what is it, like a ribbon? It's like a ribbon. That's actually really cool. It's not a sticker. It's like a I don't know what you want to call it. That is insanely cool. Wow. I'm gonna be putting this somewhere. That's actually really cool. So we got that. I actually like that. That's probably why it's late. And looks like we got one set of decals, and it is for the interstate battery. Really cool. This is for the Joe Gibbs Racing decal sheet, or whatever you want to call it. So that's really cool. So we got two of these. That's cool. So yeah, we can either do 20, 11, 19, or 54. So that's pretty cool. The 20 is, I believe that's Christopher Bell. Then we got Danny Hamlin. Then we got Martin Truex, and I believe that's Joe Gibbs. Yeah, Gibbs. So that's pretty cool. So I don't know. We got two of these. So guess we got, if we screw up. So that's that, and then we got the actual main. Oh man, talk about a freaking whole wrap. I mean, this is literally a wrap.
No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No. No.
We got the lightning bolts. This is. I guarantee this is giving some of you guys some nightmares right here. But yeah, this is for the 2022 Toyota Camry, 2022 or 2023. So that's pretty cool. And I don't see any. I don't think I got any black decal sheets. Usually I'll get a black Toyota Camry decal sheet, but hey, not too big a deal. But we got Bertha here in town. This is a really cool kid. This is actually a highly anticipated model. So yeah, so 1978, basically 1979, 80 Monte Carlo. This particular paint scheme was used with that particular style, but really cool. So I'm actually really glad. And here's some other models they have produced back in a couple months ago. So really cool. And this kit is pretty heavy. So I'm expecting. Well, these kits are usually packed to the rim, so let's go ahead and open it because I'm actually kind of curious. But yeah, this is a really cool kit. I know there's quite a few people in the community that's been wanting to do this particular paint scheme for quite some time, but a decal is kind of hard to come by. So, but luckily, JR Models, Jim over there, Rick, and Scott, I believe his name, came in clutch, and they just really went the ham. So yeah, this is insanely cool. And yeah, the kit is packed to the rim, and we got a floating chrome bumper. That's cool. And just in case you guys don't know, this is real chrome. Yes, this is actual real chrome. We have a magnet here, and it actually sticks. It's actually pulling my magnet. So yeah, real magnet chrome is insanely cool. So it's actual like real chrome. We got our tires here. They are slicks, so really cool. We got our clear parts, just front and rear glass, pretty cool. And then here we have our Monte Carlo body. This is I seen this body style at the at the Pocono Raceway. This particular body is massive. I cannot believe how they raced these back in the day. I mean, this body style was just gigantic. I mean, If I still had the video, I'll put it on your screen, but this is an insanely huge car. I mean, I just couldn't believe how they raced these things back in the day. I mean, it's literally a boat. It's a boat on wheels. That's basically what it is. It's massive. Okay, so here we have the, okay, so it's not chrome. That's why they gave us a separate chrome plated front bumper, because this particular car actually had the chrome bumper, but instead they did everything in this aluminum look. So that's pretty cool. So there's our bumper, but it's in the aluminum. But if you don't want to use this, you can of course paint the chrome on there. But why wouldn't you want to not use this? Because this is the best chrome in the business. I mean, I'm telling you, I ship all my chrome. If you're on my channel for a while, you know I ship my chrome, and the reason why is because it looks so toyish, like so. And oh, we got some green. So yes, the interior of this car is green, the interior and chassis. So that's what's really unique. So there you got the green tree here. I believe it's a window in that green too. I'm not pretty sure. And then we, of course, we got some more aluminum parts for our suspension, rest of our chassis components. So that's really cool. And then we got some more of this. I'm telling you, this kit is packed to the rim. We got our massive hood. That hood's like a mile long. And then we got our roll cage type deal. And there's about an axle for the rear. Then you can do this as two different Monte Carlos. So you can do it as a square headlight or the round headlight for the different years. But that's really cool. And then a couple more bags in here. Literally. Oh, there's one more bag. Okay, so there's our engine components, bunch of stuff. And then we got a white tree of the chassis. So we got two. Yeah, so we got two identical trees. One's in white and one's in green. So you don't want to paint. If you don't want the green, you can just use the white and paint the green if you want. So that's cool. So we got two identical trees in this kit. That's why it's so darn packed. But we're all here for the decals. We want to see decals in this kit. I mean, there's the back bumper. I was say, is there a chrome back bumper? Yes, there is. There's our chrome back bumper. Really cool. Alright, so typical instructions from JR Models. Just really nicely high quality decals, or decals of instructions. Decals, of course, are high quality as well because they're from Power Slide. But before we show you that, here is our decal placement. Very simplified. So if you don't really care about decals, or you want to get into NASCARs but you don't know not experienced about decals, this car should be pretty easy to do by, because there's not too many decals. And speaking of decals, we'll take a look at them right here. Look at that. These are really, really nice. Just so crisp. Really crisp. You can literally read every single little piece of sponsor on there. Just super high quality. Hi, I'm Bertha. I believe that goes under the hood. I think that goes under the hood. Yeah. Hi, I'm Bertha. That's cool. They included that. Just insane. If you don't want to use the hood pins, you don't have to. You can shave them off the hood and use some actual photo etch ones or 3D printed ones, whatever you want to do. But they're in there. Here's our gauge cluster. I mean, you can literally see the RPM on the gauge cluster. That's how amazing these decals are. Just incredible. Really incredible decals. And Power Slide, they're one of the best decals in the business for NASCAR. Just really high quality. But alright guys, that's it. I don't know too much about the history of this car. If you want to know more history about this car, check out Lucas C. Lucas C did a full on video, basically telling the history of this car. I don't know much about this, and I didn't look up because I really just got home from work. But yeah, this is a really cool kit. I know this kit was really highly anticipated for this paint scheme, for the Bertha paint scheme, and it's really cool we got one. Maybe we'll do this for the NASCAR group build, because I know the NASCAR group build just kicked off. But we'll see. I got tons of NASCAR kits in my stash, so I gotta figure out which one I want to do for the NASCAR group build. But this is cool. I'm really happy. This is not even a sticker. This is like a ribbon type deal. That's actually really cool. So that's why the kit is kind of late. But hey, I'm not complaining. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Get this kit while you can, because this is a really insanely cool kit, and like I said, it is highly anticipated from JR Models. JR Models was really happy to bring this one out to you guys, and I'm really happy they brought it out. I mean, this is a really good kit, and the paint scheme is really accurate and it's really nice. And again, the body is very basic. You can either leave it in this white, which if I were you, just clear coat over it so it doesn't yellow down the road, and then you can really just put on your decals and you're good to go. If not, you can always paint over it. Like I will always paint my bodies, so I'm gonna paint it white, prime it, I'll paint it white, and then we'll put the decals on, then clear coat all over the decals. So, but this is a really cool paint scheme. I'm actually I actually can't wait to build this one. So maybe we'll do this for the NASCAR group build, who knows. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll catch you guys next time.